Guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's do the in 3, 2, 1, boom, boom, ay. And today we are building a fidget toy. Okay, it's like a conveyor belt, so let's start. So first off, you guys are gonna need 2 of these, right? Yeah. Okay. Right now I'm on my socks. Yeah, maybe a bit slippery. So yeah, you put these bricks there. And just put there. Sorry, it's my mama. Mama. Okay, it's my mama. She's there. I just blocked her because she doesn't want to be on TV. Yeah, my mama hates being on TV. So yeah. Where have you been all my life? Oh, it's got it. You Then you put this brick there. I don't have enough of them, so yeah, we're just going to have to do it like that. Sorry. Yeah. Then we got a string. Then we have to break a part of the Lego piece sets. Then is it doesn't it want to yeah. So okay, let's just try another way. I practice, guys. I literally practiced. So yeah, we have to do it the old-fashioned way. Even though there's no old-fashioned way of Lego. Wait, yeah, there is. So yeah, Lego is like a popular country from all around the world. And yeah. Timu. I hate Timu. They scammed me. Yeah. Alright. This is what it should look like so far. Yeah, let's go. Pulling. So guys, Dad.
I love you.
I love you too. My dad. Yeah. Daddy's love. And that's what you should have. Hold on. So guys, I want to show you. So look. Okay guys, look. It's moving, guys. Literally. Got tangled up. There we go. Yeah. Then now I went to the other part at the bottom. Follow for part 2.